Perfect. Here's the honey badger analysis presented as a formal essay, structured with an academic tone, clear paragraphs, and logical flow for submission or publication. Honey badgers, masters of survival in the wild. Introduction. Survival in the natural world is a relentless challenge. Predators, harsh climates, scarcity of food, and human encroachment all demand that animals adapt in extraordinary ways. Among the most compelling examples of adaptation and tenacity is the honey badger, Mellivora capensis. Native to a wide range of environments across Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia, the honey badger has become an icon of resilience. Despite its modest size, this creature demonstrates survival tactics that rival and often surpass those of much larger animals. From physical defenses and venom resistance to impressive intelligence and behavioral boldness, honey badgers exemplify how versatility and determination can secure a place at the top of the food chain. This essay explores the honey badger's survival strategies through its physical adaptations, behavioral traits, dietary habits, ecological role, and interactions with other species, illustrating why it stands out as one of the most formidable survivors in the animal kingdom. As to physical adaptations. One of the honey badger's greatest assets is its body, which is uniquely suited for defense and durability. Its skin is both thick and unusually loose, particularly around the neck and shoulders. This anatomical feature allows the animal to twist within its skin even when gripped by a predator, enabling it to bite back or escape. In addition to this flexibility, the honey badger's skin is resistant to punctures, stings, and bites, providing effective armor against many types of attack. Equally impressive is the honey badger's resistance to venom. These animals have been observed surviving attacks from venomous snakes, such as puff adders and cobras, often recovering after a brief period of immobility. Research suggests this immunity may be the result of specialized cellular receptors that reduce the effects of neurotoxins. This resistance allows the honey badger to hunt prey that other animals avoid, thereby reducing competition and increasing access to food. The honey badger's muscular build and powerful limbs also contribute to its survival. Its long claws are ideal for digging, whether it is excavating prey from burrows, constructing its own shelter, or accessing beehives. These claws, combined with strong jaw muscles and sharp teeth, make the honey badger a formidable predator and an efficient forager. Behavioral adaptations. Physical prowess alone does not explain the honey badger's success. Its behavioral traits are equally critical. Perhaps its most defining characteristic is its fearless and aggressive nature. Unlike most small or medium-sized mammals, the honey badger does not shy away from confrontation. It has been known to challenge much larger predators such as lions, leopards, and hyenas. While such confrontations are rare, they demonstrate the honey badger's unique strategy: fight rather than flee. This aggression often surprises would-be attackers and deters them from further pursuit. Honey badgers also exhibit a high level of intelligence. They have been observed using tools in captivity and manipulating their environment in the wild. One famous example includes a honey badger that escaped its enclosure by stacking rocks to climb over a wall, a behavior that demonstrates advanced problem-solving abilities. In the wild, this intelligence translates into strategic hunting, complex foraging techniques, and the ability to adapt to new or changing environments. Their nocturnal and solitary lifestyle further enhances their chances of survival. Operating under the cover of darkness helps them avoid larger daytime predators and reduces competition. Solitary behavior ensures that they do not draw attention, conserving resources and reducing the risk of confrontation. And dietary versatility. Honey badgers are opportunistic omnivores with one of the most diverse diets in the animal world. They consume small mammals, birds, reptiles, insects, fruit, and even roots. Their ability to eat a wide variety of foods allows them to survive in environments where food sources can be unpredictable or scarce. One of their most notable feeding behaviors is their affinity for honey and bee larvae. Undeterred by thousands of stings, honey badgers raid beehives with impunity, relying on their thick skin and pain tolerance. This daring foraging strategy not only provides high-energy nutrition, but also reduces competition, as few other animals can withstand a similar onslaught from angry bees. Additionally, honey badgers are among the few mammals that regularly hunt and eat venomous snakes. Their method typically involves biting the head first to neutralize the threat. Thanks to their venom resistance, they can safely consume species that are lethal to most other predators. This unique dietary trait places them in a relatively unchallenged ecological niche. They are also proficient scavengers and engage in kleptoparasitism, stealing food from other predators. Their aggressive nature often intimidates larger animals into abandoning kills, making the honey badger both a hunter and an opportunistic thief. Reproduction and learning. Honey badger reproduction is marked by a relatively long period of maternal care, especially when compared to other small carnivores. Females usually give birth to 1 or 2 cubs and raise them alone. Cubs stay with their mothers for up to 14 months, during which they learn essential survival skills including hunting, foraging, and territorial navigation. This extended juvenile period reflects the complexity of behaviors required for survival. Honey badgers do not rely solely on instinct. They require time to acquire and practice the skills necessary to thrive. This form of social learning, although limited to the mother-offspring relationship, is a significant contributor to the species' overall adaptability. Territorial behaviors are also vital. Honey badgers use scent marking from their anal glands to delineate territory and communicate. The scent is pungent and serves as a deterrent to competitors and a signal to potential mates. When threatened, they may even release this odor defensively, similar to skunks. Symbiotic relationships. An intriguing aspect of honey badger behavior is their mutualistic relationship with the greater honey guide bird, indicator. This bird species has evolved to guide honey badgers to beehives by calling and flying ahead of them. Once the badger breaks open the hive and feeds, the honey guide eats the wax and leftover larvae. This cooperative interaction is a rare example of interspecies communication and cooperation in the wild. Such a relationship is not only fascinating but also highlights the honey badger's role in a broader ecological context. By breaking open beehives, honey badgers help regulate bee populations and redistribute nutrients in the environment. Their role as both predator and facilitator showcases their complex position in food webs. Ecological and cultural significance. Ecologically, honey badgers serve as top mesopredators, animals that maintain balance by controlling the populations of smaller mammals, insects, and reptiles, particularly venomous snakes. Their scavenging and burrowing behaviors also contribute to soil aeration and nutrient cycling. In terms of human perception, honey badgers occupy a complex space. In rural areas, they are sometimes seen as pests due to their raids on poultry and beehives. However, conservationists and naturalists admire them for their intelligence, ecological contributions, and unique adaptations. In popular culture, especially following viral internet content such as the Honey Badger Don't Care video, they have become symbols of fearlessness, resilience, and independence. Chapter conclusion. The honey badger is a remarkable example of evolutionary success. Its survival tactics, ranging from physical toughness and venom resistance to strategic intelligence and fearless behavior, demonstrate how adaptability, more than brute strength or size, can ensure survival in a complex and competitive world. By mastering a wide range of skills and behaviors, the honey badger has carved out a place as one of nature's most formidable and admired survivors. As environmental challenges increase and biodiversity faces unprecedented threats, studying such resilient species offers valuable insights into the power of versatility, determination, and evolution in the fight for survival.